on the restaurant I'm aiming for. At the bar, the breath is harsh, I'm after all. Yeah, we on the journey of life. Yeah, we own it, making the future tight. But I'm never really sorry with a blow. Wave goodbye the boat and I just wanted to float. Nobody gon' take away from me. Nobody gon' take away from me. Hey, I'm sorry I want you. Hey, I'm sorry I want it. Hey, I'm sorry I'm always trying to get past the lover. But we own. Yeah, we own. Yeah, we own. I'm sorry the purple. I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm out with a popo and I won't loot you. But I don't know. Girl, I don't know. Yeah, come with me on a journey. I just want you to feel me. I'm never gonna want it. I don't care about symmetry, but you got something that I want. You got a couple things I'm never really feeling divorced. But what's up? Got the journey, I want you. I'm always trying to be the fucking kid with Jehovah, with the alcoholics, and I fuck around a little. I wanna lick your nipples, I just wanna fuck you in the middle. I wanna touch on your toes, I wanna touch on your life. Wanna touch on the shit, I just really want me a wife. But I don't, I just really want some bitches instead. Couple bitches in my bed, give me company head. But on the company card we are rolling out of bed, I'm just trying to make you a star. But no matter what we do, we duck the Lucifer. We loosen her, and I don't really comprehend the burglar. But take a journey with me. Just ride through the waves, ride through the ship. We never really come out his face. But you fucked around a little too much, I couldn't handle it. I was always trying to chase that sun in Los Angeles. But why we talking about it? Why the fuck am I even here? Am I a part of the game or am I just way too sincere? Why the fuck am I even in this? Yeah, we just badmouth each other, but we gotta get to the business, damn. No one thought this one time. We skip lines, we unwind in due time. Fine, I pick up a Glock and shoot my jump shot in the wrong time. When you call the cops, on top with the burden, see I murder thee. Any single last, the emotions never hurt me, but it's hurting you, and I know it's true. Gotta get out of my head cause I am over you. Shit, nothing is realer or scary than the supremacy of one race. This shit is compelling. Praise one to the rap fanatics. Sit through the open caskets, skip through up all my taxes. They ask me if I'm back yet. Nah, I'm not gonna be for a little while. I need to simmer down till I get back on my fucking crown. Get back on my fucking crown. Bitch!
Yo, man, it was good, yo. I'm proud of you, my man. You killed it today. I'm talking about. That's what we've been waiting for. One day you're gonna be killing all these rappers riding around in that whip, that drop top, like skirt, skirt. It's your boy.
Si te ha gustado el vídeo, dale like, comparte y suscríbete si no estás suscrito. Nos vemos a la próxima. Chao, chao.